Hi everyone. My name is Ashley Rockwood, as I'm sure that some of you know by now. And I currently live and teach in Austin, Texas. I am a special education teacher at an elementary school within AISD. Regarding this class, I think that I believe it's called Child and Adolescent Development. I think that the reason I've enrolled obviously is because our program requires it, A, and then B, I think it's really imperative, and I think it's required because it's knowing how children develop is pretty crucial to counseling and being able to work with children, both young and older. I think from this class, I find development to be incredibly interesting because I think it has a lot to do with psychological, physiological, social, emotional. It's kind of all encompassing of how we grow and develop into humans. And a lot of what happens in our childhood shapes the way that turns out in our adulthood. I find trauma and trauma-informed practices is something that I'm really passionate about, and I think that trauma ties a lot into child development and adolescent development, as well as just different things that, just different impacts that have, different things that have impacts on us. And so that's what I think, and I'm hoping to learn a little bit about this course, especially I'm really hoping to dive into a little bit of neuroscience and how things really affect our brain and how our brain affects our body and our physical body and our emotional body as well. Thanks, and I look forward to learning with you guys.